Ask any developer what they fear most, and they'll tell you it's not late nights or impossible deadlines, it's a badly written bug report. The kind that says it's broken, please fix. No context. No steps to reproduce, no clue where to even start. Just fix it. So instead of solving the problem, your dev team remains stuck in a loop of Slack messages, screenshots, and guesswork, wasting hours trying just to figure out what actually went wrong. But it doesn't have to be this way. What your team needs right now is a solid bug report where everything is clear, detailed, and structured. And with tools like ClickUp, writing one is not so hard. In this video, we'll go through 6 simple steps to write a bug report that actually helps your developers fix the problem with a lot less frustration. Let's start with the basics and give each of your bugs an ID. Without a unique ID, bugs can get lost, mixed up, or reported twice, which wastes time and causes confusion. A clear ID makes it easy for your team to track every bug from start to finish. In ClickUp, you can easily track these bugs using auto-assigned task IDs. The workflow is simple. You set up a dedicated bug intake form using ClickUp Forms. As users submit bug reports, each response automatically becomes a ClickUp task with its unique ID in your ClickUp workspace. This small step keeps your bug reports clear and saves your team hours of unnecessary work. Once your bug has a unique ID, the next step is to give it a clear, descriptive title. A good bug report starts with a title that instantly tells the reader what's wrong. No guessing, no digging through long description. Keep it short but specific, like app crashes when uploading profile photo on mobile, instead of just upload issue. If you're using ClickUp Brain, the world's most complete work AI, it can help refine your title automatically. Just describe what's happening, and Brain can turn your rough note into a short, focused title your team can act on right away. Here's a simple trick I like to use. Write the title last. Once the details are in place, you'll know exactly how to sum it up in one clean line. The next step is to set the priority and severity levels. Setting the priority usually tells your team how urgently the bug needs to be fixed, while severity shows how much it affects the system or user experience. Without these levels, developers might spend more time on minor issues while critical ones remain unsolved, causing delays and frustration. In ClickUp, you can set the task priority right inside the bug report task to flag what needs attention first. And when there are too many bugs to sort through, ClickUp Brain can quickly organize them by urgency and impact, saving you from long triage meetings. The next step is to make sure you include all the details of where the bug occurs. A bug might occur on your machine, but not on someone else's, and missing these details can make it tricky to reproduce the issue. So always include your environment details: operating system, browser type and version, device, and app version. The more specific you are, the faster your team can reproduce the issue. Tools like ClickUp can help you capture this information without the back and forth. With custom fields in your intake form, you can make sure every bug report automatically includes the details of the OS, browser, app version, and more. Now it's time to make sure the bug can be reproduced. Developers can't fix what they can't see, so giving clear, step-by-step instructions is key. For example, instead of saying, log it and it crashes, explain exactly what you clicked, what you typed, and what happened on the screen. In ClickUp, you can use a checklist or custom form to list these steps clearly for every bug. That way, anyone on the team can follow the instructions and see the bug for themselves. Writing reproducible steps helps developers find the root cause faster and reduces repeated questions. Finally, include visual notes. These are screenshots or videos to show the bug in action. Sometimes words just aren't enough. A visual can instantly convey the problem. It's much faster than typing long descriptions or explaining over email. To better explain an issue, you can add images and screen recordings using ClickUp's clips directly to the bug task, keeping everything in one place. And that's how you turn messy bug reports into clear, easy-to-fix tasks. Want to make it even easier? Try ClickUp's free bug and issue tracking template. It comes with built-in fields, checklists, and priorities so you can report bugs like a pro. Sign up today at ClickUp.com and start tracking bugs the smart way.